I'm finally dyeing my hair. It's just with a temporary hair color because I don't really want to dye my hair, but I'm a bit tired of my hair, of winter, and I just want something a bit vibrant and something that washes out and it's CG approved. You know, it's quite hard to find something like that because like you just keep searching for different colors or different methods and you're like, this is great, but it's not CG approved. Anyway, I found Umberto Giannini. It's amazing, hopefully. It's temporary hair color in a deep conditioning mask, and today I'm going to be trying the cherry blossom. If you want, basically you're applying it just to clean dry hair. If you want just a pastel look, leaving it for 15 to 20 minutes. But if you want a bit of a vibrant one, it's up to 30 minutes. For the boldest look, up to an hour. So I'm gonna do 45 minutes. Just so you know, I've never ever dyed my hair, so it can go really wrong. I've always gone to a hairdresser or a friend of mine used to do it who knows what to do. But I'm just thinking it's temporary, so if it goes bad, if it goes wrong, then it will wash out. Fingers crossed. Anyway, I've got those bad boys. So I'm gonna put it up and let's just go to bathroom. Right, so I used quite a lot. Okay, like half of the bottle, and I've got fine hair, low density, so I could have definitely used less, but I thought go big or go home, and I'm definitely staying home, so why not? Let's right, I'm gonna keep it there for 45 minutes and let's see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, 45 minutes, time's up. Let's wash it off. So I tried it again, this time after 6 washes from the first time that I temporarily dyed it with Umberto Giannini Cherry Blossom. I left it there a bit longer for an hour, and I think it turned out a bit more vibrant than the first time, so I do recommend leaving it a bit more longer than 45 minutes. If your hair is blonde, then it will definitely like catch nicely, but mine is kind of like light brown, so it's literally just the ends, but I'll show you the back of it as well. Yeah, I really quite like it. Like it doesn't last long. It seriously, like, it lasted me like 3 to 4 washes, and then it, like 5th or 6th wash was completely faded out. But it's nice. It's nice. I like it. It's just a bit of fun, isn't it?